How to cancel a Walmart order before it ships. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can cancel a Walmart order before it ships. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to walmart.com. Make sure to log in into your account. Once you're here, head over to your profile at the top right, click on it. Then head over to your purchase history. Under your purchase history, you have to click on the order that you would like to cancel. Scroll down and look for the request cancellation or cancel items button. So under your order, you have to select your order, then head over to the request cancellation or cancel items option. If the option is visible, you have to click on it and follow the prompts to cancel. If it is not visible, you could refresh the page. Try it again. Sometimes it may take a few minutes to appear. Now, if the cancellation is accepted, you will receive a confirmation, and refunds are usually processed in 3 to 10 business days depending upon your payment method. But you have to make sure that you act quickly. Walmart typically allows cancellation within a few minutes, that may be 30 minutes of placing an order. After that, you may not find an option to cancel your order since the order may enter into processing or shipping. So if you could find that option, simply follow the prompts. If not, you could also contact Walmart customer service and then you could request for your order cancellation and follow the instructions accordingly. So that's the way to cancel an Walmart order before it ships, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.